Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today, I am actually not at my home. I'm at a friend's home, and she has the June Joyful Jordan box for 2019 and has kindly let me do an unboxing video so we can all see what it is together. I'll be getting mine soon, but she got hers before I did, so I'm grateful to her for that. And as you know, the Joyful Jordan box is a subscription box through Jordan Essentials. And you can either just get it once and buy it for that month. It's available from the 1st through the end of that month. Or you can do a prepaid subscription and you get some benefits by doing that, either as 3, 6, or 9, or 12-month subscription. Also, you can just sign up where you do a 3-month package and you pay monthly as you go. And each box is $20 plus shipping. It's guaranteed to have at least $30 worth of product in it, and I think, or it might be 25. I think it's guaranteed to have 25, but they've usually all had way more than $30, so it's always exciting to see what's in here. Typically there's one regular product from the catalog and then 1 or 2 exclusive items that only come in that box for that month. So let's take a look at this month's box for June 2019. So each box comes with a card that the owner, Nancy, selects. So she usually has either a saying or a Bible verse. This month it says, "You are altogether beautiful, my darling, beautiful in every way," which is Song of Songs 4:7. And the back of the card will then tell us about what we have in the box. So as you can see, this says, "Hello beautiful, grab a towel and head to the pool this summer with confidence." So we have an exclusive cellulite scrub. So this is exciting. I've not seen this before or anything like it. So this says, "Increases circulation and smooths the skin while helping reduce the appearance of those unwanted lumps and bumps." And you can probably hear a little person behind me playing, but that's all right. So the cellulite scrub has pink grapefruit, caffeine, and walnut shells, which help to stimulate circulation and may help reduce the appearance of cellulite. So it says, place a small pea size of cellulite scrub on the loofah and apply to areas of concern. So this will be exciting to try as we go into swimsuit season here. Then the next thing is the natural loofah scrubber. A small pea size of the cellulite scrub on the loofah and apply to areas of concern. So you can see this side here is the loofah side, and then the back has a little elastic band for your fingers to tuck into there, and then it's terry cloth as well. So that's a nice little bonus, also not in the catalog. And then finally, Slender spray. It says, "Spray the neck and wrist in the morning and in between meals as needed with a blend of essential oils known to help with head hunger." So this is also exclusive. We do not have this blend in the catalog currently. And it says, "Pink grapefruit, peppermint, and sweet orange essential oils may help reduce head hunger." So that is exciting as well. Another great tool as we go into the summer, so you can have healthy, beneficial skin and ingredients as we put on our suits and enjoy the summer sun. So thanks for joining me today. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to order one, or I'll link my Jordan Essentials web store down below as well. And if you have any questions, I'm always happy to help out and answer those if I can. So I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.